In this Pure VPN review, I am going to show you everything that you need to know about Pure VPN, including the review of streaming, speed test, security, ease of use, customer support, pricing, and pros and cons of Pure VPN. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make a Pure VPN purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. Pure VPN is a Hong Kong-based provider that's been in the VPN business since 2007. With years of experience, it's no wonder the company offers impressive server coverage: 141 countries, 180 locations, and 750+ self-managed servers. Do note that some of these servers are virtual. There are no third parties involved and the provider doesn't log user activities. Let's talk about Pure VPN security and privacy. Pure VPN does an optimal job of protecting your online pursuits from prying eyes. However, there have been questions raised about the provider's privacy policy in the past. The provider encases your internet connection in an impenetrable tunnel of government-grade encryption, which prevents nosy types, like your ISP or those suspicious folks that always seem to be sitting at the next table down at the coffee shop, from monitoring your online travels. VPN protocols that the service uses include OpenVPN, L2TP, IPsec, PPTP, SSTP, and IKEv2. The provider also offers great security features like a kill switch, IPv6, WebRTC leak and DNS leak protection, as well as an auto reconnect feature. In regards to privacy protections, Pure VPN is known to have shared connection logs with the FBI in the past. In 2017, they shared user information to aid the FBI in a cyberstalking case. However, the provider now specifically states that it does not keep any logs that can identify or help in monitoring a user's activity. A recent independent audit of Pure VPN confirms that the provider no longer keeps any type of logs. The provider happily accepts multiple types of cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, so you can keep your VPN subscription completely incognito by using a disposable email address and paying with cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about Pure VPN speed and performance. Pure VPN performed reasonably well in my synthetic speed and security tests. The speed drop was around 40% on both short and long distance connections. So here you can see my default internet speed without connecting to VPN. My download speed was 29.75 Mbps and 5.62 Mbps upload speed. So then, after connecting to Pure VPN, I connected to the UK streaming server. Then I ran the speed test. And then the result is this. Download speed decreased to 24.01 Mbps and upload speed was 6.96 Mbps. As you can see, VPN even improved my upload speeds, which is great. Talking about the streaming, arguably, one of the most popular uses for a virtual private network is to unlock streaming video content that might not normally be available for viewing in your country. Pure VPN offers a reliable way to access the content that services provide in other regions. During testing, the VPN service was able to reliably access Netflix in the US and UK, Hulu in the US, Amazon Prime Video in the US and UK, and BBC iPlayer in the UK, in addition to other popular services. Pure VPN unblocked almost all the streaming platforms I tested, but initially, it couldn't crack a few of the most popular ones. While I had instant access to Disney+, ESPN, and BBC iPlayer using its app, Pure VPN couldn't get past Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, HBO Max, and Hulu's geoblocks. I had a pleasant experience unblocking Disney Plus with Pure VPN. The platform is generally very hard to get into using a VPN, but Pure VPN gave me instant access and allowed me to stream in HD. During my first set of tests, I was blocked by Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and HBO Max. I contacted customer support to find out if there was a way to fix the issue. The Pure VPN representative suggested I use its browser extension instead. Once I had the browser extension up and running, I got straight into Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and HBO Max. I was happy to find that when I used the browser extension I could also get access to a US server that unblocked Amazon Prime Video. But it was disappointing to discover that, even when I used the browser extension, Pure VPN couldn't unblock Hulu. Hulu didn't even allow me to log in. It told me that it's only available in the US and I can't use a proxy service to unblock it. Even though I was connected to one of PureVPN's US servers, it wasn't enough. When I tried using the browser extension to access it, I still couldn't get past the login screen. Now let's talk about Pure VPN ease of use. Setting up Pure VPN is easy and seamless. After you subscribe to the service, you get a step-by-step guide into setting up your account in a few clicks. Then, Pure VPN confirmed my operating system so I could download the right version of the software. As the program downloaded, Pure VPN reminded me of the information I would need to log in to the desktop client. I found this extra step convenient, as I could copy and paste my credentials into the client once it had been fully installed. Once I downloaded the Windows app, I found that the interface was clean and easy to use. I liked that you could add servers to a favorites list for easy access. During my testing, I downloaded the Android version of the Pure VPN app from the official website. It was installed and I connected to the app within minutes. The interface was very similar to the desktop version. Now, the iOS app is more similar to the Windows version in terms of design and functionality. It supports OpenVPN TCP, OpenVPN UDP, and IKEv2 protocols. Now let's talk about Pure VPN customer support. The customer service section on the Pure VPN website has everything you need to set up the virtual private network and keep it running with all the functionality you need. Next up, we contacted the live chat customer service team, which you can do by clicking the button in the bottom right corner on their website. The Pure VPN app also offers the option to open a ticket, but with live customer support available, it's not something people usually resort to. If you only need the knowledge base, we're confident that you will find anything you're looking for, explained in great detail and in a way that anyone could understand. On the other hand, if you need their live support, you're in for a fun ride. Now let's talk about Pure VPN pricing. Click on the link in the description and it will take you to a special link where you'll get the best discount Pure VPN is currently offering. Right away from their pricing page, you can see they offer 3 plans. 1 month, 24 months, and 12 months plans. The monthly price is $10.95 per month. But if you purchase it for 24 months, then you only have to pay $1.99 per month and $2.99 per month of their 12 monthly plan. I always recommend you to choose the longer 24 months plan to get the best discount. Pure VPN offers you 31 days money back guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied with Pure VPN, then you'll get the full refund if requested within the 30 days of purchase. When it comes to payment options, you can pay for Pure VPN using a credit card, PayPal, cryptocurrency, and other region-specific options. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Pure VPN. So the first pros are that they have no data logging policy. They have great features like a kill switch, split tunneling, Netflix, and torrenting make for a great combination with Pure VPN. Also, they have great speed and performance. Also, they can unblock streaming sites including Netflix. Compatible with Android TV. And last, they offer you 31 days money back guarantee. Talking about the cons. So the first con is they couldn't unblock Hulu. Next, their customer support agents lack technical knowledge. And last is that they have past logging policy controversies. Now let's talk about who should choose Pure VPN. Pure VPN delivers on many fronts. Excellent client, good speeds, a broad server coverage, and all the nifty preset modes for streaming, P2P, and privacy. Disappointing is the lack of a free trial and VPN's inability to get past the basic geo-block of BBC iPlayer. It worked well to unblock streaming services in our tests, and its no-logs policy should reassure anyone worried about the Hong Kong location. So this is my recommendation for you. So if you're looking for a VPN with great security features, speed, and ease to use on all devices at affordable prices, then Pure VPN is the right choice for you. Also, if you're ready to make a Pure VPN purchase, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.